G'day, I'm Mal from Sunshower Online and you're watching Sunshower TV. Today I'm going to show you how to complete a PVC glue joint. What I have with me is a piece of 20mm PVC pipe, a 90-degree 20mm PVC elbow, a pair of PVC pipe cutters, a little pot of PVC glue and a little pot of priming fluid. So a lot of people think joining PVC is a very simple thing, and in a lot of ways it is, but there are some very important tips that will ensure that a joint will last as long as possible. So I've got a piece of PVC here, and one end as a sample I've cut with a hacksaw. You can see it's quite messy. The other end I've cut with PVC cutters. Looks pretty clean. First of all, we'll get rid of the obvious. Inside we've got a lot of pipe crumbs left over from the hacksaw cut. We want to make sure there's nothing left inside the pipe, because any debris that will travel down the pipe once the water's turned on and cause problems with our drip lines, our solenoid valves. But the outside of the pipe is what we're focusing on. So what you need to do is taper the outside of the pipe. Take that edge off. There's a raised ridge on the outside of that pipe. Whether you use scissors or a Stanley knife or pipe cutters, very, very important to taper that off, because all that raised edge is going to do is to push glue out of the joint when you're trying to push the surfaces together. All right, following our manufacturer's recommendations, we're going to apply some priming fluid, and we're going to clean the inside of the fitting, being careful to keep the priming fluid off our fingers, not good. And then around the pipe we apply a liberal and even coating of glue, and then on the fitting we just apply a smear. We don't flood it on the fitting, we just apply a smear and then rotate it as we push it together, and that is a perfect PVC joint. And we know there'll be maximum glue between those two surfaces.
And that's it. Links to all the products are in the description below, and if you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.